Poland's effort to clean up toxic air and cut household energy use is now losing steam. This has raised fresh concerns over both public health and energy security. Now in Warsaw, the signs are hard to miss. Chimneys continue to pump smoke into the skyline, homes burn low-quality coal, wood and even waste, pushing Polish cities to the top of Europe's pollution charts. Experts say majority of Poland's air pollution comes from household heating. Millions of outdated boilers are still in use and many are burning coal.
Over 90% of particulate matter, or simply air pollution, comes from our own homes, homes that burn coal and wood. 2.5 million boilers in Poland still emit smoke, a phenomenon unheard of in the European Union. Over 90% of the coal burned in households across the European Union is burned in Poland.
Now, a few years back, there was progress, and under pressure from citizens and the European Union, Poland rolled out the Clean Air program by offering grants to replace old heaters and improve insulation. Since 2018, about 1 million households have signed up, helping cut emissions and reduce energy use. However, that momentum is now fading. Environmental groups say funding hiccups and policy shifts have slowed the program down. A reform attempt 2 years ago also led to an abrupt pause in financing, and Poland remains a purple spot on the European map in terms of air pollution. It is linked to more than 40,000 premature deaths each year, driven by fine particles and carcinogenic compounds. There's also a bigger risk at play. Activists warn that delays in cutting energy use leave Poland exposed to global energy shocks, especially as markets remain unstable and geopolitical tensions rise.
We cannot wait any longer, given the current global situation, a massive energy crisis and significant uncertainty surrounding fuel and energy prices. We must treat energy efficiency investments as our vital interest, as investments in Poland's energy security, as investments in building our energy independence.
Well, government officials say the program still matters, but admit reforms are needed to prevent misuse and ensure funds go to the right projects. Even then, they acknowledge it won't be easy to wean the country off coal.
Poland has a unique situation, as only Poland has such a high share of coal in individual heating. Poles are the most likely to heat with coal compared to the entire European Union. Therefore, we will continue to address this problem and strive to meet these ambitious air quality standards. However, I have no illusions that this will be very difficult and that we will continue to catch up with our colleagues in other member states.